Okay guys, let's get into it. So our application for the next GRC cohort is officially out. So over the last 2 weeks, we've been getting DMs on LinkedIn and on X around when the next application window will be open. And also, we've also achieved some major landmarks. But however, here are the most important information for you if you're looking to apply to the next cohort. First, this current cohort comes at a different cost. It comes at a $200 cost, payable twice. $100 upon admission, $100 during the practical phase. Secondly, we are also launching the physical training, which means Inegben Academy cybersecurity training now has a physical training center for those of us who want to do the physical. In the last cohort application, which happened a couple of weeks or months back, people reached out and they asked, what about physical training? And we told them we are purely virtual as at then. However, we also realized that some people who want to learn, for the situation of doubt and for their learning when I say behavior or personality, right, they prefer physical trainings so that they can be accountable and they can see in real time what they are learning, right? That is provided also in a virtual environment, but however, some people just believe that physical works best for them, and because of this, we are launching our physical training. However, there's a major cost difference between the virtual and the physical. So if you're applying for the virtual training, that means your cost is at $200. If you're applying to the physical training, your cost sits at $1,000, payable twice, to $500 on application, $500 during the core practical fees. Now, we also studied something called the IACDP at Inegben Academy. So what is IACDP? If you've done your research well on us, you will find out that we are one of the most globally recognized practical programs in the world, not just in a particular region, in the world. We are taking it a step further. With our certification is called the GGRCP, which is the Global Governance, Risk and Compliance Practitioner Certificate. We don't just want the certificate to be the strength and the name in itself. We want the people holding it to be stronger than any other certificate holder out there. And because of that, we started the ICDP. So what is the ICDP? If we are focusing on covering global frameworks, it simply means that we are not leaving any region out of the whole covering. So because of that, tons of frameworks, hundreds of frameworks will be covered after the program, not in the program, after the program. So that is what the IACDP is, which is the Inegben Academy Continuous Development Program. So when you make a payment, you by default have access or a lifetime access to each of these programs when we release it on the platform. So every frameworks, every program, every training we release as a training, as a mini course on the program is only accessible to those who have taken our core program. Because without taking our core 6-month program, you will not be able to execute every other framework. So once you have access to them, so that is what we are rolling out now. If you've been looking to apply to the next cohort, you have two options now. You have the virtual, which is $200. You have the physical, which is $1,000. And any of these gives you access to our IACDP after you have graduated from the course 6 to 7 month program. So have you been wanting to really feel what it is to be drilled by Inegben Academy? Here's your opportunity. Here's your chance. See you in September. Peace out.